Okay, now it's time to finalize it. This place is kind of like artificial. We have some almost like a clothing effect. Maybe we can fix it with the edge polish with the low intensity, Z intensity, just to give some planes to this part. If we have it's almost like a cream type here, maybe we can give some planes here. But this is not the main work we're gonna do in this part. We're gonna introduce some contrast and maybe some like fine tuning, fine details. Before we do this fine tuning, let's do clay polish. It is here, geometry, clay polish, because clay polish also destroys the form, so we have to be very careful how many times we clay polish. So now after clay polishing there is these masked edges, so we want to get rid of those edges by doing something similar when we dynamesh, just clicking Control and square, drawing square out of the form. So now it's time to do the fine tuning. Let's take standard brush, take these alpha standard. I use normally the standard alpha, and of course lazy mouse maximum 200. And in these contrasted areas we do this, give some more contrast. But you want to be careful with this because these patterns can create this artificial feel, and maybe we want to press the Alt. This is very easy to use it too much, so you have to be very careful with using this. I use it only in this. I give busyness to the narrow places. So this is kind of like a narrow spot. Narrow spot is potentially the contrasting area, and I give some busyness there. Also hair roots and smooth. Use a lot of smooth too. This is the kind of busy place. Maybe I will do sub so I don't forget to click the. Of course, you can use dem standard as well, and I would probably suggest you to combine this with dem standard. And also you can change the sizes. So you take one size and later you switch to another size. So it breaks this kind of pattern a little bit. But let's do this size and then we can switch to a smaller or larger size later. Maybe dem standard. This place needs to be cleared. Seems like there is not enough shapes established. It's kind of a little boring here. Maybe we need to give a little bit more of these lines. I don't know, maybe different size. Sometimes it helps if you press when you like make it like once and then you go almost over, but with pressing it kind of breaks this linearity, but it's not always helping, but sometimes it does. So you go once and then you press the alt or release alt and then you go over. So in these lines they kind of overlap partially. So, and as I mentioned, that's the main task. And the main task is to avoid the artificial feeling. Okay, that's pretty much it. I think we can say the head is ready. Let's see how it works, how it looks with the perspective on. Let's change it to 85 because I think 50 is a little bit too extreme. So this is our head that we have. Of course, we can work on it, but pretty much the work is done.